Hey guys, John here with another Bloxlink tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to verify with Bloxlink on a mobile device. I'll be using an iPhone for this demonstration, but the same should apply to an Android. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is head to a Discord server with Bloxlink and type /verify. Now we need to head to the dashboard, and there are two ways to get there. You can click this button and click yep, and it'll take you straight there. Or you can close Discord, head to your browser and just search up blox.link. It'll also take you to the dashboard. Now you might already be logged in. If you are, just wait for me to catch up. If not, open the menu in the top right corner and click sign in with Discord. Now we need to confirm our account. Please make sure this right here is your Discord account. If it's not, click not you. And if it is, you can scroll down and click authorize. Now once it loads, click the menu in the top left corner and click verifications. Now tap link a new Roblox account. Time to link our account. Let's head down to the first box, type your username here. Let's put our Roblox username. Next, you have two ways to verify, either game verification or code verification. You can choose whichever you want, but for this tutorial, I'll choose code verification. Once you have your option, click verify ownership. Next, I'm going to scroll down, highlight all of the text in this box, and click copy. Now we need to go to Roblox. You can either search Roblox on your browser or just go use the app. I already have the app, so I'll use that. Now once you're on Roblox, head to your profile. Next, you're going to click this little pencil icon next to About. Once it opens, paste in the code that you copied. And click Save. Nice, let's head back to the website. Once you're back, click I've put the code on my profile. Perfect, now there's one last thing to do. We have to make a choice here. Do you want to link this account to one or two servers? If yes, then select those servers by clicking on them. Or if you want to be linked to every single server, the best option in my opinion, then scroll to the top and click the button, select all servers. Nice, once you've made your choice, click the finish button at the bottom of your screen. And that's it, you've finished verifying, congratulations! Now if you click the menu, head to verifications, you'll now see that your account is right there. Let's head back to Discord and retype /verify again. Once you type it and send the command, you can see we have our updated nickname, our roles, all the good stuff. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.